Brawoliner Domestic Rehabilitation. Brawoliner offers a universal rehabilitation system that can be used to rehabilitate underground pipes and also damaged downpipes, branch lines and connections inside buildings. The rehabilitation of downpipes is done as a rule from top to bottom, but can also be done through an inspection chamber from the cellar. For this, the resin-impregnated Brawoliner is inserted into a pressure drum and inverted into the pipe to be restored by means of air pressure. The flexible Brawoliner adapts perfectly to the pipe run, even where there are bends and changes in dimension. Inversion is possible over several floors. Curing of the resin can take place at ambient temperature. The curing time can be significantly reduced by the application of heat in the form of a steam-air mixture. When the liner is cured, the pipe connections can be opened. With the Bravo Vortex cutter, opening is carried out from the branch line. For this, first the cutter head is inserted into the pipe by means of a flexible shaft, and an opening is cut into the sealed pipe connection. Then, the Vortex grinding tool is fitted on the shaft and positioned in the pre-opened pipe connection. By rotating the tool, the grinding panels are pressed against the liner and grind the pipe connection smooth. As a rule, pipe connection can be opened within a very short time with the Bravo Vortex cutter. Leaking branch lines can be rehabilitated from a diameter of DN50. For this, the Brawoliner is inverted through the drainage opening by means of an inversion drum. By using a calibration hose, opening the liner end can be avoided. After the resin is cured, the calibration hose is drawn out of the pipe. If the connections are damaged, or if you would like to fix the branch line, Brawoliner connection rehabilitation is recommended. First, the Brawoliner connection collar is impregnated with resin. Then the air is bled out of the satellite packing piece and the collar is pulled over it. To facilitate introduction and positioning, the shaft of the sleeve is pushed into the packing piece with the satellite bladder. In addition, a vacuum is drawn in the packing piece to achieve a minimum installation dimension. Through a suitable inspection chamber, the flexible packing piece is inserted into the main pipe and pushed to the connection to be rehabilitated by means of a push rod. A camera in the branch line helps in the positioning of the bladder. As soon as a satellite bladder can be detected in the pipe connection, the main bladder of the packing piece is inflated. Now the satellite bladder can be supplied with air to invert the shaft into the pipe connection. Curing the resin can take place at ambient temperature or accelerated by supplying heat. After curing, the packing piece can be removed from the pipe. Brawoliner offers a rehabilitation system with German DIBT approval for universal rehabilitation inside buildings. This will make it possible to dispense with expensive and tedious exposure of the pipes in rehabilitating damaged downpipes, branch lines and connections.